This is our Suprasetter 105. The Suprasetter has proven its quality and reliability in over 4,300 installations worldwide. However, today we don't want to talk about the Suprasetter itself, but about another very interesting piece of technology over here. This is our new automation concept for the Suprasetter 105 as well as for the Suprasetter A105. The Suprasetter Auto and Dual Cassette Loader 105. It is going to replace our former product Suprasetter Single Cassette Loader. To achieve the best results, we developed the machine very closely together with customers from all over the world. During that time we learned that the customers are expecting more than a large plate magazine, for example. They expect things like a small footprint and a maximum of flexibility. And of course they are expecting all these features at very low investment and running cost. Well, our answer is here, the Suprasetter Auto and Dual Cassette Loader 105. We will have a detailed look at the machine and its feature over the next couple of minutes. If I open the service cover, we can have a look at the integrated cassettes. The machine is available in two versions, as an auto cassette loader or ACL with one integrated cassette and as a dual cassette loader DCL with two integrated cassettes. Let's open the cassette drawer and load some plates so you can see how easy it works. As you can see, the plate loading is very easy. And what is very important to know, the machine continues imaging while we load the plates. By the way, the second cassette can be field upgraded afterwards. That means you can start with an ACL with one cassette and afterwards upgrade to a DCL with a second cassette. You don't have to invest in a totally new machine. This really secures your investment. Let's now have a closer look on the plate paper separation system, which is located here.
This is the suction bar of our latest generation of plate paper separation system. We now see how the suction bar removes a sheet of interleaf paper from the top of the plate pile. The interleaf paper will be transported to the large attached paper bin, which can take up to 400 sheets of paper. After the paper has been removed, the suction bar moves back to the cassette to pick up a plate. One plate end will be taken and lifted up by the suction heads. Then, compressed air will be blown between the plate and the interleaf paper to ensure that they are completely separated. In addition, these blowers create an air cushion to support the other plate end and therefore prevent the plate from being scratched. A set of rollers now move the plate from the ACL-DCL to the connected Suprasetter.
On the top of the ACL-DCL we can see these green belts here. The green belts belong to the conveyor each machine is equipped with. The advantage of this integrated conveyor is that it allowed us to reduce the footprint of the whole system dramatically, because we don't need an additional conveyor or bridge here at the exit of the Suprasetter or over here at the beginning of the processor. The ACL-DCL is connected directly to both machines. The plates will be output here and brought directly to the connected online processor. Let's have a look how this works.
Here, the conveyor is transporting an imaged plate from the Suprasetter to the connected online processor. No additional bridge or external conveyor is necessary.
We already talked about the advantages of the integrated conveyor of the ACL-DCL. In addition, we offer the turntable. The turntable basically consists of these bars here and this round plate. His job is to rotate the imaged plate by 90 degrees from landscape to portrait format. Let's see how the machine can do this.
Now the Suprasetter is outputting a large ATAP plate. In this case, the turntable automatically rotates the plate to portrait format, so it can still be developed with a narrow processor.
The advantage of the turntable is obvious. If you rotate the plate to portrait format, you can use a smaller processor. The usage of a smaller processor helps you to save money. Why? Because it needs less chemistry and water, the power consumption is lower, and the initial investment costs of the smaller machine itself are lower. By the way, the turntable can be field upgraded afterwards. So again, you can start small and afterwards grow with your demands. Let's summarize what we learned about the ACL-DCL today. We saw the principle of the two integrated cassettes and how easy plate loading is. We talked about plate and paper separation. We watched the conveyor and the turntable in action. We experienced how you can save cost and footprint with the ACL-DCL. It is the perfect machine if you are in the need for one or two different plate formats. You are in the need of a third or fourth plate format? Don't worry, we still offer the multi-cassette loader who can handle up to 4 different plate formats. We see with the Suprasetter 105 we offer a solution for any kind of demand. Of course you can find the Suprasetter 105 DCL on this year's Drupa. The machine will be located here. If you need more information, please check our CTP Scout or the IPS portal. Thank you.